I'm Jared with Advanced Onsite Services, and this is a Perc-Rite Drip System install. This is for a single family home, a 3-bedroom design. It's a replacement system for a failed system. We are on a challenging lot in Montgomery. It's a slope site. The designer decided to go with a drip system. As you can see behind me, it can be laid out on a slope site. It doesn't need to be level, so it requires a lot less mound sand. It doesn't require any stone. It doesn't require fabric, and it's a relatively shallow bury system to take advantage of the root system of plants in order to really effectively deal with the effluent. This is an effluent system. It's not a pre-treatment system. So it's raw septic effluent going to the drip system. We'll take you around and show you a few of the components.
I decided to move into the mountains about a year ago, and in the fall I came to the property, fell in love with the place, and one thing about mountain homes is you've got to deal with septic systems. It wasn't something I was familiar with. The previous system had failed, and so I got in touch with an engineer that recommended this newer high-tech system.
Regular wire nuts in here?
Probably not.
I'll use regular wire nuts.
What do you want me to say?
You sound like an idiot.
That right even. Golden.
Again, I'm always for new technology if I have to pay a little bit more to get a quality product. I've heard other stories about different septic systems that weren't as advanced and well thought out, and people having problems with them. So I just said, get a top engineer and top contractors that can put it in, and here we are.